channel. So before we begin, if you aren't already, please subscribe to my channel. It helps out so much. So today we'll be making a quick and easy recipe which you can do in under 20 minutes. So today's dish is my favorite. It's vegetable dumplings. For this recipe, we will be using 9 ingredients. So starting off with 1 minced jalapeno pepper, 6 sliced green onion, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, and 1 tablespoon of avocado oil. Next, we will be using a ½ pound of chopped mushroom and 1 tablespoon of tamari sauce. And for the last set of ingredients, we will be using a small head of chopped Napa cabbage, a pinch of sea salt, and of course our dumpling wrappers. So to begin, we will again set the pan to a medium-high and add in our oil. And then next we can add in our jalapenos, our green onion, and the minced garlic. And we're going to saute this for about 3 minutes. Next we can add in our mushrooms. Along with the tamari sauce. And we're going to cook this for about 5 minutes. We can now add in our final ingredients, which will be the cabbage, and the sea salt. And we're going to cook this again for another couple of minutes. Now for the fun part, we can now fill our dumplings. So we're going to grab a tablespoon of our mixture and place it in the middle of the wrapper. Next, just with a little bit of water, place it along the wrapper to get a good seal. And then fold it over. Next, you're just gonna pinch it together. And then you have the perfect dumpling. So now that you've filled all the dumplings that you want to make, we're going to now again put our pan to a medium-high with some oil, and then place our dumplings in. So now that you've cooked your dumplings for about a minute on each side, they are now ready to serve. Alright, thank you so much for watching, and again, thank you to Chef on Our Wire for collaborating with me on this recipe. But now it's time for me to eat, so I'll see you guys next time. Bye!